Hi guys, welcome back to Jersey Foods, and today I'm going to teach you how to make gravy. So these are the ingredients for gravy. First, we have 1/4 of evaporated milk. Next, we have all-purpose flour, and then here we have 1 cup of water, and here we have ordinary soy sauce, and then we have small cut mushrooms, and here we have beef cubes. That's a beef cube. And here we have 2 tablespoons of butter, and then here we have ordinary black pepper. So now let's start our pan. Make sure it's not extra. And while waiting, make sure the pan is hot. Okay? Make sure the pan is hot. Nice. Now let's start putting in our ingredients. Okay. Then we get our all-purpose flour. And then let's use water so that it doesn't become. And then we'll put in our soy sauce. Yes. Let's keep the skin. Now that's our signature for gravy. Yes. So keep mixing. Make sure the all-purpose flour is gone. Keep mixing. That smells real good. And then next, you'll add in our cubes. So cubes. Make sure make sure it will sink in with the gravy. Okay, so you have to make sure it's going to be thick before we add in our mushrooms. It will smell like gravy. Make sure it's stirring. Starting to get thicken now. So now let's start putting it in our ingredients. Let's get a spoon. Yes. Good. There. Starting to become thick. Yes, thick. Wow, look at that. Not bad. Smells good. Okay, so let's keep mixing. Keep mixing. Okay. The beef cubes are now gone. It's good. So just keep mixing. Now let's put in our says we get that. Yes, that's fine. Look at that. And our last ingredient is going to be butter. Yes, butter. Make sure to get rid of all of the ingredients so there's going to be no waste. Make sure. It's making bubbles. Yes. Now let's put in our butter. Just wait a moment. Make sure that the sauce is already thick before you put the butter, okay? And then when you're about to put the butter, turn off the fire. It smells good. Really great. It's good. Can't wait to taste this. Turn off the fire. And now we could put in our butter. Just put in the butter. And then keep mixing. It's thick. Look at that. Looks good. Now we're going to taste. Make sure to remove all the ingredients so that nothing goes to waste. Now I'm tasting it. Looks good. Make sure to blow. It tastes good, eh? Hi guys. Okay, we're done cooking the gravy. Now we're gonna start cooking the main dish or the main course. So first, As you can see, you have pork steak. Next, we have the pineapple juice. Marinate the pork steak. Next, we have butter to cook the mixed veggies. We have mixed veggies right here. Here, we have barbecue sauce. Okay. Next, we have black pepper. And lastly, we have brown sugar. So, do you know why the reason why I have pineapple juice? This pineapple juice is used to marinate the meat so that the meat will be more tender with the pineapple juice. So, you should marinate for 3 hours if you want to cook it now. But if you want to cook it tomorrow or later, you could marinate, or we could marinate overnight. Para it will become juicy. It will be very, very good. So first, let's start putting the pineapple juice. The pineapple juice. Now we're gonna pour it. Sit tight. Yeah, so that's it for the meat. After you place it, you should mix it up. Make sure your hands are clean. So let's mix it up. Mix it up. And then once we do that, we're gonna add our barbecue sauce. Now we mix. Make sure your hands are clean. Mix, mix, mix. Slowly para di matapon so that it won't spill. Slowly. Next, we're gonna add the brown sugar to the mix. We're gonna pour everything. So now mix it properly. Slowly. So that it won't spill. Okay, once you have done that, you should let it sit for 3 hours, or much better overnight, so it will be more tender. You could place it outside right here, or you could put it in your refrigerator. Much better if it's in the refrigerator, but not the fridge, not the freezer. Only the bottom part, not the freezer, because it's gonna freeze the meat, and then it's just gonna lose its flavor. So now, what we're done with that. While we're waiting for this to marinate, we're gonna cook this mixed veggies with butter on a non-stick pan. With the black pepper. So let's bring the butter. And we're gonna we're gonna it's getting slippery a bit. Now we're gonna taste if it's okay. So if the mixed veggies are now tender now. So, okay, so now we're gonna taste it. So pretty good. So it's already prepared. Okay, now we're gonna wait for 3 hours. So I'll see you guys again later. So yeah.
3 hours later.
Okay, hi again. So now it's been 3 hours now. As you can see, it's already dark. So the meat is already marinated. So we're gonna start placing it. Make sure, maybe safe. Oh, let's get the top one first, cause let's grab it properly. I'm making sure it's straight, so it will be perfectly. It will be perfect. So let's put another one. This one right here. Alright, be careful, guys. I'm having a hard time. Okay, so make sure. Okay, so while we're waiting for this, look at this, oh. This is the gravy that I already prepared. So yeah. Now just gonna wait. Make sure the fire is very weak so it doesn't splash towards your face. So yeah. Let's go. Okay, so yeah. I added a new slice because there was still space. So yeah. I'll see you guys later again. I'll see you later again when I'm gonna be preparing. I'll see you guys again later when I'm gonna be able to prepare it. Bye bye.
Many, many minutes later.
And that's the finished product. As you could see, my dad's going to check it out and look at it. So it tastes so good. Now let's ask my dad if he will approve. Okay. So yeah, just watching me. So we have mixed veggies, which is good for you. We have rice, carbs. Glow, go, grow. This is the grow. This is meat. This is go because it's carbs, and this is grow because it's vegetables. Let's check it out. Okay. How's it taste, Daddy? Put a thumbs up if it tastes good. Yeah, put a thumbs up. So it means it tastes good. So yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. So this is my healthy meal. And yeah, it has go, grow, glow. As I already said earlier. So yeah. You may, cook this. It's really healthy. Yeah. Enjoy. And stay safe and stay happy. Bye-bye.